No matter how hard they try, no other woodworking tool can dream of being more enchanting than the wood lathe. If you don't believe me, check out the incredible wood turning videos embedded at the end of this guide. Heck, you were probably turned on to wood lathes by one of those videos. Well, if you're ready to start creating stunning masterpieces, you're going to need the best wood lathe for beginners. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wood lathe for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Recon 70-105 Mini Lathe. The first tool on our list is a mini lathe built specifically for beginners and pan makers. However, don't let that fool you into thinking this is a flimsy wood lathe. On the contrary, the Recon 70-105 Mini Lathe packs a powerful 1/2 HP motor under the hood, running on 375 watts. It has 5 speeds, ranging from 450 RPM to 2600 RPM, which is the required speed for pan making, and is faster than some mini lathes. One thing that sets this apart from other mini lathes is its dimensions. It has a 10-inch swing, and the distance between centers is 18 inches, making it long enough to accommodate many projects, including some chair and table legs. In all of its features, Recon has made an effort to go beyond any typical mini wood lathe, and this extends to the build material. This wood lathe machine is made from cast iron, making it sturdier and more reliable than aluminum. The sturdy cast iron construction also means it won't vibrate much, so your projects will be smoother. Number 2. Delta Industrial Mini Lathe. Next, we have another beginner wood lathe that swings above its weight class. The Delta Industrial Mini Lathe has a powerful 1 HP motor, capable of handling even the most challenging beginner and semi-pro projects. The extra power comes in handy for heavier furniture. The 12.5-inch swing is one of the widest for a mini lathe. You can also use the extension to stretch the bed length to 42, giving you room to work on larger projects like chairs, banisters, tables, and a host of other products. Given its exceptional size, this mini lathe is great for beginners ready to develop their skills quickly. To help you along is a variable speed range with 3 pulley positions, going up to 1725 RPM. You also get 2 tool rests, one 6 and the other 10. One of the more spectacular features is that the Delta Industrial has forward and reverse spinning. Number 3. Shopfox W1758 Wood Lathe. Next, we have the first full-size lathe on our list, and it is worth the wait. Like everything Shopfox does, the W1758 Wood Lathe machine is absolutely fantastic. This is a large machine weighing 338 pounds, so you know it can handle any residential project. It has a variable speed, which allows you to choose any of the 10 speeds between 600 to 400 RPM. The draw ensures you find the exact speed you want. Plus, it has a cast iron bed and cast iron legs to handle the weight of your project and the speed without vibrations. The swing-over bed is 16 inches, while the distance between centers is 42 inches. Even though these dimensions are standard, you can still execute a wider range of projects, thanks to the swivel head. You can set the headstock to 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 120 degrees, and 180 degrees for outboard turning, which is made easier by the tool rest extension. While this product is great for beginners, experts will also enjoy using this. What you may not enjoy is the instruction manual, which is a bit confusing to figure out. Number 4. Jet JWL 1015 vs Variable Speed Wood Lathe. When you find machines marketed at novices, you typically expect them to be substandard. However, when the product is made by one of the best wood lathe brands, you know it will be special. Running on a 1/2 HP motor, this wood lathe has all the power and precision you need for beginner projects, and small-scale professional wood turning too. You can work on projects with a diameter of up to 10 inches, while the distance between centers is 15 inches. However, you can expand it to 21 with the bed extension and stand, sold separately. Speaking of the bed, the manufacturer has improved on the previous model by making it a bit wider. This gives you more room to maneuver, and it also makes the machine sturdier, which you'll need for the superb speed. The Jet Mini Lathe has 3 speed ranges, 200-1050 RPM, 300-1750 RPM, and 600-3600 RPM. So, if you're a beginner in need of gentle practice, or even blistering speed, you'll find both here. To top it off, you also get Jet's 5-year warranty. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial Wood Lathe with Draw. Next, we have another full-size wood lathe machine that is strong, dependable, and from a reliable company. The Grizzly Wood Lathe runs on a 2 HP motor, as you would expect from this size. It also has a spindle tachometer with a digital readout, which allows you to maximize the 10 speed options. What makes changing speeds even better is the shift on the fly handle, making going from 600 to 2400 RPM easy. This wood lathe is also built with cast iron throughout, including the legs, making it more stable. Another bonus factor is the swivel headstock that supports outboard turning. When used normally, the swing over bed is 16, and the distance between centers is 46, but you can extend this much further. One common complaint with this wood lathe is the tool rest. It can snap without a ton of pressure and some of the screws are a bit wobbly. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.